Hello friends, in today's video lecture we will discuss about properties of base. As we know, base is a substance which dissociates hydroxide ion when dissolved in water, and base is a hydrogen acceptor. First property, reaction with metals. The reaction between metals and base produce salt and hydrogen gas. Second property, reaction with non-metal oxide. Acid react with non-metal oxide to produce salt and water. Reaction with alkali. Acid react with alkalis to produce salts and water only. This type of reaction is known as neutralization reaction. We can use universal indicator to see whether reaction has taken place or not. Base plus non-metal oxide gives salt and water. Base plus metal gives salt and dihydrogen gas. Base plus acid neutralization reaction forms salt and water. So here are the three properties of bases. Bases are soluble in water and they are called alkali. Let's recall the properties of acid. Acid reacts with metal oxide and forms salt and water. Acid reacts with metal, forms salt and dihydrogen. Acid reacts with base, forms salt and water. Acid reacts with metallic carbonates or metal carbonates like CaCO3, gives salt, carbon dioxide and water. Here are the properties of acids, bases and salts. Now, what is the difference between a base and an alkali? Bases undergo neutralization reaction with acid. They are comprised of metal oxides, metal hydroxide, metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates. Most of them are insoluble in water, where alkali is an aqueous solution of a base, mainly metallic hydroxide. It dissolves in water and dissociates to give hydroxide ion. All alkalis are bases, but not all bases are alkalis. Here are uses of acid, base and salt. Acid like H2SO4 is used in car batteries. HCl removes rust from iron and steel. Acetic acid or vinegar, formula is CH3COOH, used in vinegars to preserve food. HNO3, nitric acid, used in the production of fertilizers. Bases, CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide, neutralized excess acid in soil. Second, AlOH thrice, used in antacid tablet. Magnesium hydroxide used in antacid and toothpaste. Sodium hydroxide used in making soaps and detergents. Salts like ammonium chloride in torch batteries, ammonium nitrate used in fertilizers, calcium hydrochloride as a drying agent, iron sulfate in iron tablets, magnesium sulfate in medicines, silver bromide in photography. Now, what is salt? Salt is a common compound which is formed by neutralization reaction between an acid and base. Example, NaCl, which is also known as sodium chloride. When heated, these salts lose their crystalline water and becomes anhydrous salts. Here are some examples of salts as hydrates. Hydrate is a salt containing specific number of water molecules as a part of solid crystalline structure. In the given example, you can see your particular moles of water is given. CuSO4.5H2O. Here 5 moles of water, which is also known as pentahydrate salt. Same way with cobalt, hexahydrate salt is formed, and with strenous, dihydrate salt is formed. Water of hydration is water retained as a part of the solid crystalline structure of some salts. CuSO4.5H2O, copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate salt. Blue in color. Cobalt chloride hexahydrate, dark pink in color. Salts of H2SO4 are known as sulfates. Salts of HCl or hydrochloric acid are known as chlorides because your parent acid is a strong acid and base is a weak base. Salts of HNO3 are known as nitrates. In the next video lecture, we will discuss about types of salts and indicators. Thank you.